In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted emails in Outlook. If you've accidentally deleted a message, don't worry, Outlook gives you two places to bring it back, and we'll walk through both so you can restore what you need with confidence. Start by opening Outlook and looking at the left pane, where your folders live. Click the Deleted Items folder. This is the first stop for most deleted messages. Browse the list and select the email or emails you want to recover. You can select one message, or select multiple at once if you need to restore a batch. Once selected, right-click and choose Move, then pick Inbox or any other folder you prefer. If you'd rather use the ribbon, you can highlight the messages and click the Restore option on the Home tab, which sends them back automatically. As long as the deleted items folder hasn't been emptied and your organization's retention period hasn't expired, items here are recoverable. It's a good idea to act sooner rather than later, because once this folder is cleared or the retention window passes, those messages leave this area. If you don't see the email in deleted items, there's still a second chance. Go back to the deleted items folder and look for a recovery command. In the new Outlook experience, click Recover Items Deleted from this folder. In Classic Outlook, go to the Home tab and choose Recover Deleted Items from Server. This opens a recovery list of items that were permanently deleted from deleted items but are still held in a special recoverable area. In that recovery view, select the emails you want to bring back. You can select one or several, then click Restore. Outlook will place them back into their original folders when possible. If the original folder is no longer available, Outlook will send them to your inbox so you can file them where you want. Keep in mind that recoverable items also follow retention policies, so availability depends on how your mailbox is configured by your organization. Thanks for watching.